Ay, Nunay. Okay, here is a question from Ali J, journalist na talagang tutulong sa atin to spread good news. Julie of Abante.
Thank you, EJ.
Namamalat.
Naiiyak din ako.
Nag-break na rin yung boses mo. Sorry.
Siyempre, alam mo naman pag si Mega yung naiiyak sa harap natin.
I know.
Lahat tayo affected.
Gusto ko nga mag-breakdown eh. Sorry na. Go ahead, June.
Siyempre, sobrang love natin si Mega. Siyempre, makakaasa kayo.
Kaya nga all-timer lang invite dito ngayon.
We will all support Kiko, Mega. Alam mo yan. Pag ikaw naman talaga, walang pwede. And Rosel, thank you sa pa-press ko nito and Kid, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Kasi years ago, kasama natin si Mega dito sa press ko ng Mano po. Yan. Pero yan, medyo babawasan natin yung kalungkutan. Kasi Kiko, we're so happy kasi yung sa isang group chat namin, pinadala talaga na hindi na lang mga taga-showbiz na nagsusupport sa'yo because of Sharon. Even your batchmate sa Lasal 81, they supported you last night. Nagkaroon sila ng fundraiser. Nakalikom daw ng more than 1 million sa 8
Wow!
Diba? Maraming mga nag-perform yan. So, anong message mo? Ang dami kasi tumutulong talaga. Hindi EJ, no? Hindi alam ng iba. Ang dami mga nagpa-fundraiser for Kiko. Nakakatuwa.
Kanina ko nabalitaan yan sa isang group. Go ahead, Senator.
Yes, in fact, sabi ko nga, yung batch 81 ng Lasal Green Hills, kasama dyan, ilang mga nasa showbiz din. Jerry Mariano, who used to be with the Cops, Rene Martinez, who is also with theater. So they put it together to help us. Kagabi ba yun? Hindi ko na maalala. Sa dami ng pinagpunta. Hindi ko na alam saan ako galing, saan ako pupunta. Sinasabi nila sa akin, kung bukas dito ka pupunta, ganitong oras kang magigising, ganitong oras ka.
Yeah, you lost weight na, Senator.
Yes. But that's correct. Wala kaming malaking makinarya. Hindi tayo nakapalood sa mga ticket. Kami lang ni Pam, magtatandem. So, dahil wala kaming makinarya, we are relying on volunteerism. We're relying on support. And kami lang ata, ang mga kandidato mayroong nag-house to house ng mga volunteers. So, sabi ko nga, we are fighting, tumitindig kami, tumatakbo ako para doon sa mga kababayan natin na naniniwala na may pag-asa pa ang Pilipinas na naniniwala na pwedeng manalo ang lumalaban ng batas at hindi magnanakaw, sabi nga natin. At siyempre, yung subukan nating ipanalo ang tama. So, our people will be our source of inspiration. Our volunteers will be our source of strength. Sila ang magbibigay ng dagdag na tapang at dagdag na lakas para itawid natin ito hanggang sa finish line. At sila rin ang magpapanalo sa atin. So, yun. Nakakataba talaga ng puso yung ginagawa ng ating mga kababayan na tumutulong sa atin.
After Senator Kiko, Shawi, nandun kami yung Tita-Annabelle last Wednesday sa Japan, Malaysia. Nakakatuwa na kahit ang sinusupport nila doon, yung mga sa administration, yung event, one of your sisters, sumalang doon, nag-campaign, at saka nephew mo yata yun, no? For you, nakakatawa na kahit yung mga nagsusupport sa administration candidates, they allow na makapag-campaign yung mga malalapit sa'yo o yung mga taong naniniwala sa'yo. Are you aware of that, Senator Kiko?
Yes, nabalitaan ko and many other places actually. Kasi marami ang nagsasabi, hindi kami magsistraight, may mga isisingin kami. At kasama na rin siguro yun yung dati ko na silang natulungan. I have been in 3 terms in the Senate. We have probably helped over 2,000 LGUs. Kaya nga pag sinasabing walang nagawa, clearly it's a lie. So itong mga kasamahan natin, halimbawa sa Nueva Ecija, we were able to, when I was Food Security Secretary, approve a Pangasinan Paladapan, 2.6 billion pesos worth irrigation that helped 8 towns. So meron talagang nagawa. But the other point is, sino ba yung nandun sa Gapan? Kasi wala yung kapatid ko. Lahat may ito. So merong pumunta sa Gapan, Nueva Ecija, nag-house to house, kasama yung pamangkin ko. Si Anthony is now in Mindanao together with Maricel. And they were with us in Jensan. Tapos tumuloy sila, si Maricel and Anthony went to Davao City, went to Panabo, umiikot din sila, went to Digos, and then my Gary will be in Cebu, and Jelly is here.
Of course.
So Papa P will also be in Cebu. Yes. Yes, and my brothers are in either in Cavite or Parañaque or Palawan, and my sisters too. So, yeah, this was how my father also raised us. That pamilya dapat nagtutulungan, will be with each other, fighting for each other, helping one another. And that's why, yes.
Tama-tama, lumabas na si Donnie Pangilinan sa PBB. I'm sure magkukunti. Kasi, Shawi, nakita ko yung video na doon kayo sa isang campaign, nandun siya. Binibiro-biro mo pa siya kay Bel Mariano. Si Bel ba, sasama ba?
Hindi pa. Pero busy rin. Busy.
Speaking of, grabe no, openly na, ang dami ng gabasa na openly supporting your candidates.
Vice ganda.
Can you enumerate?
Vice, Okwang, Pinky Amador, Jed Madela, Rita Avila, Isa Calzado, Darren Espanto, Enchong Lee, Roby Domingo, Jonah, Parokya ni Edgar, River Maya, Ben and Ben also. They will be having a podcast on the 5th, May 5, today. Is it today?
Yes, May 5 today.
Julie, when is Ben and Ben? Today? Tonight? Yeah, they interviewed me. So, I thank them because hindi rin biro. Maraming natatakot because baka daw mabash, baka daw matroll. But I thank them for their courage. Ogie and Regine. Sino pa? Baka may nakalimutan. Ann Curtis. Janine Gutierrez. Maha Salvador. Between Escalante. Nadine Ilustre also.
And we expect more in the coming 5 days pa siguro open meeting about
And
you.
you know, hindi biro. Pero sabi ko nga, nagpapasalamat ako na sila'y matapang dahil yun ang gustong gawin ng troll sa atin. Matakot, manahimik, para sila ang mangingibabaw. Kaya sabi ko nga, ako, 6 na taon na akong tinroll, pati pamilya ko. Pero lagi ko naiisip, kung ako ang matatakot, paano na yung ordinaryong tao na walang boses? Kung ako ay mananahimik, paano na yung mga talagang walang boses? And I keep telling myself this, I have to be strong for those who are weak. I have to speak for those who have no voice. And I have to fight for those who cannot fight. So I have to be courageous for those who are afraid. And with them coming on board, so mas marami sa atin ang magiging matapang. Nakakahawa yung takot, pero nakakahawa din yung tapang. Kaya salamat sa kanilang lahat.
Shawi, ikaw daw mismo medyo nagugulat kasi ang dami nag-approach sa'yo na saying that they're willing to support. Sila mismo nag-pepresenta, hindi mo kailangan lumapit.
Nakaka-touch. Kasi never ako lumalapit sa mga kaibigan sa showbiz. Never talaga kahit makamag-anak ko. Parang if they want to help, I'm so grateful. Kasi gusto ko rin makita yung face nila in Kiko. So when they come forward and they help, syempre natatouch ko sobra. Lalo itong laban na ito, parang ito yung pinaka-challenging sa amin since tumakbo siya, since he started running. Itong over 20 years ago. Ito yung pinakamahirap. So the people that have come forward, some of them na hindi ko ni-expect. Yung half ini-expect ko, magsabi sa akin na tutulong po kami. Wala. So, okay lang, at least, di ba? So, yun. Yung mga nagmamahal talaga sa akin, sobra akong grateful.
Pero
Judy Ann and Ryan pala, naku, since the beginning.
Ito pa pala, sorry. I want to mention.
Yes, please, give us a chance.
OG Diaz, Mama Loy, Leo Martinez, John Arcilia, Neri Naik, Jim Paredes, Maylene Dizon, Pia Magalona, Victoria, Cookie Chua, Bayang Barrios, Angel Aquino, Olive Isidro, Jake Ejercito, Aya Fernandez, Josa Poco, DJ Suzy, Saab Magdalena, Justin Dizon, Julina Magdangal, Elmo, and Arkin Magalona. And the others I mentioned now. So, thank you for all their support and their bravery and their courage to stand up. Because what we're fighting for really is the future of our country. I remember meeting Chak Chak. I met him before. He's 5 years old, campaigning for me. Yeah, and then little boy. Just last night, I'm sorry. Yeah. And I say, do you know why I'm here? Do you know why I'm here? Because I'm fighting for your future. Because we can't give up on our children. Because we love our children and we want a better future for them. So paglalaban natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Yes, si Venice. She was 11 2 years ago, 2022. In Boa, I met her. She's 13 now. And the moment I saw her, she started to tear up. And then she cried. Why? She campaigned so hard for us in 2022, then Nikito, and she was so hurt. And I told her, sabi ko sa kanya, I know it's painful. Sabi ko, alam ko nasaktan ka dahil masakit yung mabigo. Pero hindi tayo dapat tumigil ng pagmamahal. Kaya natin ginawa yan, tumakbo dahil mahal natin ang ating bansa, kaya ka lumaban dahil gusto mo ng mas magandang kinabukasan. Pero dahil nabigo tayo, hindi ibig sabihin hindi na tayo magmamahal ulit. We have to keep fighting for our country. We cannot give up. And that's why I'm running. Si Tatang Nick, who's now 91, is a farmer, has been farming for the last, since he was 20, 70 plus years. He's still poor. From 5 hectares, 1 hektare na lang ang kanyang sinasaka. Tapos, baon pa sa utang. 3 silang magsasaka na nakausap ko from San Simon, Pampanga. Na-depress siya nung natalo kami 1 week. Pero nung nakausap ko silang 3 before the last campaign, Tatang Nek, Tatang Mameng, and Tatang Peleng. 78 years old, 84 years old, and at that time, 88. And I asked them, gaano katagal na kayo nagsasaka? And all of them said, either teenager or 20 years old. Ang total number of years na sila yung nagpa-farming, combined, yung tatlo, was 186 years. 186 years na silang nagsasaka combined para pakainin ang ating mga kababayan. Pero ano ang sukli ng lipunan sa kanila? So, this is why we're fighting. We cannot give up on those who have suffered the injustice, who continue to be poor and unable to fight for themselves, who need for us to fight for them. And we cannot give up. Sabi ko nga, tuloy lang.
Shabi, alam mo, sa mga group chat, sa showbiz, parang majority talagang yung request to vote and support Kiko, grabe. So, parang gusto ko naman congratulate kayo pala. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, Junie.
Thank you, EJ.
Alright, thank you. We can only entertain 2 more questions. Talagang masarap kasi ng in as much as gusto pa natin pahabain, but ayan, I understand may time pa naman sila, but we can entertain 2 more questions. I understand Ms. Tessa, the editor of Manila Times, Tessa Ariola has a question. Hi, Ms. Tessa. She hardly attends present, but she's here today. Nakakatuwa.
Pwede po my sister who was in politics before kasamahan ni Senator sa NMYL. She's been campaigning for you. So she, kahit sa mga family chat namin, isa lang po
Dikit-dikit pala tayo. May connection.
Ate Joey, I was watching you kanina. You must have heard Senator Kiko's speech so many times. But among everybody in the room, I think you were the one who was really, really, your eyes were on him and really, appreciating everything that he was saying. And you must have enjoyed the last 3 years that he had more time to be at home. Pero watching him also in those last 3 years, was something missing kay Senator Kiko. As you said, his heart has always been with him.
What did I tell you before when you said maybe I should not run anymore? Did I say? But you don't have that spark. Because parang you were born to serve. You have to run, remember. So yeah, I know his heart so well. Kasi early in our marriage, yan pa yung napapag-awayan namin. Gusto mo, sa'yo na lang siya, di ba? But then that's not how we were raised. So, we like to give back to a country that has been so good to us, especially me, di ba? Nakikiusap lang kami pagbigyan siya para mag-serve. Di ba?
Parang it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Now we have to fight so hard to just get their vote so we can serve them. That's what's very hard to understand. But that's why we're counting on you.
Ang isa sa mga sinasabi ko sa campaign trail, kasi last week, we celebrated our 29th wedding anniversary.
Wow.
April 28. Oh, so it's May 5 today. So last Monday, today is Monday, so 1 week ago. Yeah. So ang sinasabi ko, maraming lumiligaw kay Shana. Maraming gustong makuha ang kanyang matamis na oo. Marami akong kakumpetensya. Sikat na artista, bilyonaryo mga negosyante. Pero bakit ako ang nagwagi? Kasi, sabi ko, imbis na mahaling bulaklak na rosas, tulips, ang binigay ko sa kanya, chicharong bulaklak. So, consistent. Noong pa man, hello pagkain na. But then I say also that the reason why we've lasted 29 years is because when I asked her to be my love, the love of my life, I promised her to love her forever. And I did not, and made sure I stayed true to that promise. Hindi man madali, may mga panahon na may challenges, but, love conquers all. So, yun din, sabi ko nga di ba yung mga politiko nanliligaw din, gusto makuha ang matamis na oo ng mga kandidato, ng mga botante pala. At pag nakuha na yung matamis na oo, dapat hindi magtataksil. Dapat magiging tapat at totoo. So ako, sa personal na buhay at sa buhay lingkod bayan, iisa, na 18 years akong nahalal bilang senador and 2 years bilang cabinet secretary, wala akong pinagtaksilan. Naging tapat ako. Wala akong kasong corruption. Wala akong hindi ako nagpayaman sa pwesto. So,
Kaya yung mga paninira sa kanya, puro memes, puro ganyan, or yung mga napasan niya hindi binubuo para di-minimisinform yung tao. Kasi hindi nila masabing magnanakaw yan, kasama sa anomalya yan, or may bahid ng skandalo yan. Wala silang masabing gano'n. So doon na lang nila kinukuha. Naiintindi naman namin charity na lang.
So ang ating pakiusap sa ating mga voters on May 12, busisiin ng gusto. Huwag basta maniniwala sa matatamis na salita. Tingnan yung track record, tingnan kung meron bang kasong anomalya, meron bang background, o meron bang pangakong napako. Tingnan natin at doon natin piliin yung karapat-dapat. Meron din sigurong isang hindi ko nabanggit kanina, but one of our advocacies, well, it's food security, no? Pero kasama sa food security, siyempre, ay paano natin mi-address itong problema ng gutom, lalo na sa mga kabataan at estudyante. May mga datos na nagsasabi, marami sa mga anak natin, about a third of our children are suffering from malnutrition and various degrees of stunting. That's a huge amount. That's because of inaccessibility of nutritious, healthy food. Kulang. So ang ating proposal, 30% of those who have school meals end up continuing to graduate. In other words, nagda-drop out pag walang school meals. May mga eskwelahan, public schools, na may school meals, depende, merong wala. Makikita ninyo sa resulta, pag may school meals, they continue on. Maganda ang performance sa math, science, sa mga test, kumpara dun sa mga walang school meals. So to address that, we must have free breakfast sa elementary, high school, at preschool. Sa lahat ng pampublikong paaralan, number one, so that we are able to address quality education that our children deserve. And second, hanggang kalahati ng pagkain na ihahain sa lahat ng pampublikong paaralan ay dapat binibili direkta sa mga magsasaka na lokal at mangingisda na lokal. Gulay, baboy, manok, itlog, para sila rin, ang farmers, alam nila, naku, gobyerno ang bibili sa tamang presyo, magtatanim ba ako ng mas marami? Pag mas marami na nga ang tanim, mas marami ang aanihin, alam nilang hindi sila binabarat, gaganda ang kanilang kita, gaganda rin ang supply ng pagkain, win-win tayo.
Makes sense talaga, Senator.
And it's being done in Indonesia, in Thailand, in Japan, in Italy, in France, because precisely it works. From daycare to grade 12. We can do it in stages kasi it may be a huge amount outright, but it has to be done in a period, let's say, 3 years, that we will complete it, but we have to start so that it can be done. And there, food security.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Ms. Tessa.